Okay, floor setting. For changing the floor setting, shadow and reflection, you go to the setting, and here is the floor. You can turn it on or off floor for turning off the reflection, shadow, everything. But here you can control, you can see the shadow. For seeing the shadow, you have to go to this light setting and enable sunlight. In this case, you can better see the shadow in the setting, and you can change the environment shadow level. For better seeing that, I think we are going to HDRI image and we insert an image that has one source to better see the lighting. I think finding one source. I think this is one source, such as the environment. Okay, now we can see better the shadow. And in here, we can increase or decrease the number of the shadow level of environment, and here is increasing or decreasing the shadow of the total shadow sunlight. Oh, it's bad. Making back to this one, more lighter. Go to setting. From here you can turn on or off the reflection. You can see we have a reflection on the floor. You can see level of that, more reflective. Decay, it means it's making fade from here to the bottom of the object. You can see. If you don't want, you can completely see that. And the roughness, 0 is 100% reflective, and the more rough we have blur reflective. So you can control it there.